In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a discount in QuickBooks Online. First, open the sales form you'll be working with. You can start a new invoice, estimate, or sales receipt, or open an existing one if you just need to add a discount to something you've already created. The steps are the same across these forms, so choose the one that fits your workflow. Next, complete the usual details for the customer and the products or services. Pick the customer, set the transaction date and terms if needed, and add your line items with the correct quantities, rates, and any taxes that apply. As you do this, keep an eye on the subtotal area. This is important because the discount will be calculated from that subtotal. Now decide how you want the discount to work. QuickBooks lets you choose between discount percent and discount value. Use discount percent when you're giving a percentage off the subtotal, like 10% off a project or a seasonal promotion. Use discount value when you have a specific dollar amount to reduce, such as $50 off a service call or a one-time goodwill credit. You'll find this choice next to the discount field near the bottom of the form. Once you've made your choice, enter the number in the discount field. If you selected discount percent, type the percentage and QuickBooks will compute the amount for you. If you selected discount value, type the exact dollar amount you want to take off. Watch the totals update. The discount reduces the subtotal, and taxes will recalculate based on your tax settings, so the final total reflects the discount accurately. If you don't see a discount field at all, it may be turned off in your form settings. Enable the discount option, and then return to the form. By default, the discount applies to the whole subtotal across all listed items. If your intention is to discount only a specific product or service, tweak that line's rate or split the item into two lines so only the portion you want reduced is affected. Take a moment to verify the customer view or print preview so the discount appears as you expect. When everything looks right, select Save. If you're not ready to send it yet, Save and Close is fine. If you are ready, you can save and send it to the customer. Before you finish, consider adding a brief note in the memo or message to clarify the reason for the discount. That extra context helps your customer and keeps your records clear for future reference. And that's it. You've added a discount in QuickBooks Online quickly and correctly.